Welcome to Ecuador, a land of diversity, rich culture, and stunning natural beauty. Situated on the equator, this small yet captivating country in South America offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. From the towering peaks of the Andes to the lush Amazon rainforest, from pristine beaches to vibrant cities, Ecuador truly has it all. Let's embark on a journey through Ecuador, where every step uncovers new wonders. Our journey begins in the historic city of Quito, the capital of Ecuador and one of the most beautiful cities in South America. Nestled high in the Andes Mountains at an altitude of over 9,000 feet, Quito is famous for its well-preserved colonial architecture, colorful streets, and rich cultural heritage. It was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1978 due to its stunning blend of history and modernity. Quito's Old Town is a treasure trove of history, where every street tells a story. Visit the iconic La Compañía de Jesus, a masterpiece of Baroque architecture, and explore the vibrant neighborhoods to discover artisan shops, bustling markets, and cozy cafes. Don't miss El Panecillo, a hilltop viewpoint where you can gaze over the entire city with the towering statue of the Virgin of Quito standing tall. Just a short drive from Quito, we reach one of the most unique attractions in the world, La Mitad del Mundo, or the middle of the world. This is where the equator runs through Ecuador, allowing you to stand with one foot in the northern hemisphere and the other in the southern hemisphere. At the Mitad del Mundo, you can learn about the fascinating experiments that demonstrate the forces at play along the equator. Watch as water swirls in opposite directions on either side of the line, and experience the strange sensation of standing in two hemispheres at once. Heading south from Quito, we arrive at Cotopaxi National Park, home to one of the world's highest active volcanoes. Cotopaxi, standing at 19,347 feet, dominates the landscape with its snow-capped peak and is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Cotopaxi National Park offers stunning hikes, horseback riding, and opportunities to spot wildlife such as condors, wild horses, and even Andean foxes. For the adventurers, a trek up the volcano itself presents a thrilling challenge, with breathtaking views awaiting those who make it to the summit. From the heights of the Andes, we now venture into the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Ecuador is one of the few countries where you can experience the magic of the Amazon, home to an incredible diversity of flora and fauna. The Ecuadorian Amazon is one of the most biodiverse places on the planet. Take a guided boat tour down the Napo River to explore the lush jungle and discover its hidden inhabitants. Experience the local indigenous cultures, learn about traditional medicine from shamans, and witness the beauty of this untouched wilderness. Our journey now takes us west to the Galapagos Islands, one of the world's most famous and ecologically important archipelagos. Located about 600 miles off Ecuador's coast, these islands were made famous by Charles Darwin and continue to be a living laboratory of evolution. The Galapagos Islands are a must-visit for nature lovers. Each island offers unique ecosystems with rare species found nowhere else on Earth. From swimming with sea turtles to snorkeling with sharks, or simply observing the famous giant tortoises in their natural habitat, the Galapagos are a testament to the wonders of nature. As we return to the mainland, we head to the charming city of Cuenca, known for its colonial architecture and vibrant artisan culture. Cuenca's cobblestone streets, stunning cathedrals, and vibrant art scene make it a cultural gem in Ecuador. Cuenca is a place to slow down and appreciate the finer things in life. Visit local artisan markets where you can purchase handmade goods such as Panama hats, which, despite the name, are actually made here in Ecuador. Stroll through the city's plazas, admire its stunning architecture, and enjoy the warm hospitality of its people. Finally, we reach Ecuador's Pacific coastline, where golden beaches and charming fishing villages offer a perfect retreat. Whether you're looking to surf the waves, relax in the sun, or explore coastal mangroves, Ecuador's beaches have something for everyone. Visit Montañita, a laid-back surf town known for its bohemian vibes and vibrant nightlife, or explore Puerto Lopez, the gateway to Machalila National Park and the beautiful Isla de la Plata, often referred to as the poor man's Galapagos. From the peaks of the Andes to the depths of the Amazon, from colonial cities to the untouched wilderness of the Galapagos, Ecuador offers an incredible array of experiences for every traveler. Whether you're an adventurer, a nature lover, or a culture enthusiast, Ecuador is a destination that will capture your heart and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Come and discover Ecuador, a small country with big wonders.